Okay, this is the exact questions I used in 2019, maybe 2020, I forget, that I used to craft my vision. Now keep in mind, I am operating and have been operating from this vision. When I first crafted it, I wasn't living it. I was living the way I had been living. And I was working for a larger florist in marketing. I had some side clients that I did business consulting. Create your vision. This exercise helps you craft a clear, inspiring vision and mission statement for your life. Set a timer and give yourself no more than 90 seconds per question so your answer thinking for you analyzers out there, for you greens out there. Vision statement exercise. Reflect on the following questions. If time and money were not a factor, what experiences would I want in my... Just go off of your instincts and your intuition. Who am I? Why am I here? Where am I going? How do I want to be remembered? We are all leaving a legacy, whether we like it or you're already like, this is too long. Take it in segments. Don't do it all. Use your answers from question 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9 to write a paragraph or two that defines your life's vision. Just use your answers. Don't overthink this. Your vision should vision emotionally compelling. Does it move me to take action? If my vision is the only rule, it should generally move you, inspire you. And then it says your vision is the foundation of your future. Let's make it powerful. Can't wait. So excited.